Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get paid from DistroKid, or how to withdraw your money from DistroKid. So if you're using DistroKid to distribute your music, you should be as well making some money. Alright, so today I want to show you how to get paid from DistroKid. So this is my DistroKid dashboard. So I have this one song distributed using DistroKid, and that's why you're seeing it right here. So let's say I'm getting some decent amount of streams from this song, and I'm earning some money as well. So how can I get paid? So yeah, now if you want to get paid from DistroKid, what you have to do is to sign into your account, and then you find these drop down icon right here. Tap on that drop down icon, and you get all these options right here. So we have to set up a payout method. So I'm going to click on this payout method, and after that you get to see the available payout methods on DistroKid. So these are the available payout methods. We have e-check / direct deposit, we have PayPal, we have wire transfer, we have physical check. Alright, so that's it. So now how can we set up a payout method? So if you want to set up a payout method, come right here, you find this update your tipality settings. So your earnings are processed by tipality. Alright, so what you have to do is enter your DistroKid password, and then click on continue. Alright, so after that you will have to enter your billing address, or rather your address. Alright, so you have to enter your address information, stuff like your contact email, your phone number, your first name, middle name, last name, street address, and your city name, your country, and zip code. Alright, so after that you move on to the next step, which is to select your payment method, and after that you have to fill a tax form. As you can see right here at the top, you have to fill a tax form, and finally you are done. That's the fourth step, you'll be done. So that's it. So once you are able to complete these required steps in setting up your payout method, once you have a payout method, then you will be paid. So I'm going to click on this, go to so this is how you can set up a payout method. So once you complete this step, you will have a payout method on DistroKid, so you can now be able to get paid. Alright, so I will move on. We're going to click on this, go to DistroKid. So once you click on that, now there are some other things related to getting paid. For example, if you're featuring someone on a song, you might want to split the royalties that you get from the song. So there's an option for that right here at the top. This one is for you to split, so you can click on split, and then you have to as you can see, it says automatically split payments to your collaborator. Alright, so here you can just select the release, come here, click on this drop down icon, select the release, select the song, and then click on next to proceed to the next step. So once you are done with that, so the royalties will be splitted automatically to your collaborators. Alright, so another one is if you click on this bank at the top, bank, if you click on the bank at the top right here, so if you click on that, you'll be able to see your your stats, your streams, and what have you right here. So from here you can be able to see your earnings, your withdrawals, and your balance, right? Your balance on DistroKid. So these are your withdrawals and the total amount that DistroKid is owing you, the amount that is to be paid. Alright, so and up here you'll be able to see your total earnings. I've earned nothing on DistroKid, so I can't see my earnings because I've earned nothing. So here you can see your total earnings, and that is it. So from here you can still automatically split loyalties. Alright, you can still do that from here. So guys, that is it about getting paid. So once you earn some money on DistroKid and you set up a payout method, you can always come to your bank and click on this bank at the top and withdraw your money. So it's just like that, but I've not earned anything yet, so that's it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video.